Dan here from ITS, and I'm joined by Nathan from Wera, and today we're going to be looking at the wonderful 300 series 6-piece screwdriver set from Wera. So Nathan, what have we got here today?
So this is our 300 Engineer series. So it has been designed predominantly around the handle design. So what we've done is we've done away with the traditional ergonomic design and we've really changed the game. So what we did is we took a stress ball, we suppressed a stress ball to look at the grooves that are made within that stress ball. So the key areas that your hand is gripping the screwdriver. And then we designed that handle around it so that regardless of how you grip it, it always wants to sit in your hand, giving you the best possible grip and torque transfer. On top of that, it's a 3-component handle, so it's made of a base recycled plastic in the center. You've got a black friction-free surface which stops the callusing and blistering when you're continuously using the driver. Then you've got a rubberized surface for your grip, for your torque transfer in the center. It comes with an anti-roll feature to prevent the screwdriver wanting to roll away from you when you put it down on an uneven surface. And then we've got an undisclosed bit material which is made from a blend of steels which is then hardened. And then at the end we've got the infamous Lasertip. So a laser cut design into the screwdriver tip that's going to bite into the screw head, allowing you to transfer more torque through the screwdriver. And finally, just because we like you, we've made it easy for identification with our Take It Easy tool finder system. So you've got numbers and colours, you've got red for PH, black for PZ and yellow for slotted.
That's lovely, and it's available now over at its.co.uk.